guys, Assalamualaikum. This is Mikhail Zaman in front of you. Today I'm back with a very important and interesting topic. So, do you know what is that? If you say should every time, then your audience will feel boring. They will not listen to you properly. So, you have to change should saying every time. Today's topic is how can we say should in two ways. We'll change should say, alright? So without any further talking, let's get started. Number one, we can use ought to. So the spelling of ought to is O-U-Z-H-T-O-T-O-2, ought to. So instead of should, we can use ought to. Alright, like for example, if I say, I shall go there. Oh, sorry, it is not shall, it will be should. I should go there. I ought to go there. I ought to go there. And in negative, if I say, I should not go there. I shouldn't go there. Alright? So we can say, I ought not to go there. I ought not to go there. And the second way is had better. Had better. Alright? So we'll practice through the before example. Like I said, I should go there. So it can be changed like I had better go there. I had better go there. Then, but in negative, you have to change a simple thing. Like you can't say I had not better go there. You have to say I had better not go there. Like I should not go there. I had better not go there. So that's all for today. Thanks a million for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Assalamualaikum.